We have this question. The figure below shows the results of a survey of 126 students, where F is a set of students who like playing football. V, set of students who like playing volleyball. T, set of students who likes playing tennis. And we have the figure below. This is a figure. This is a football. This is a volleyball. And this is a tennis. One, how many students like playing none of the games? Playing none of the games are those outside these three circles. Okay, and that's 24 for that place. Yeah, 24 are those that like playing none of the three games. How many students like playing football? We can't answer that one for now. We need to find the value of X before we can answer that question B. Question C says, what is the value of X? So let's get that first. So when we get that, then we can go back to B and answer the question in B. Then the D part, how many students like playing tennis only? We cannot answer that also, except we've gotten the question B. So we have the total of these rectangular box is 126 equal to the additions of the contents inside that box, that rectangular box. I'm going to start with the 24 outside, okay, then plus this one, 54x plus 14 minus 2x plus 34 minus 2x. So I've done this one, then plus 1, 2, 3, that's a 3x, and then plus 6. So we have 132. Then this one, minus 2x, minus 2x, minus 2, minus 6x plus 3x. So this will give us 132 minus 3x. So move this one to other minus 6 equals to what? Minus 3x. So this is 2. X is 2. So that's the value of what? That's the value of x. So we've done the C part. Then we can now go back to the how many students like playing football. Football is going to be the whole of this circle. The whole of this circle. The whole of this. That's a football. And that will be equal to 54. Okay. 2 times 2, that's 4. Minus 4. That's a 50. 50 plus 2 plus 6 and then plus 2. Those are like playing football. They are 60. They are 60. That one is done. Then the D part, how many students like playing tennis only? Tennis only, just this place. This is tennis only. That's 14 minus 2x. 2 times 2, that's a 4. 14 minus 4. So this place is what? 10. So that's that on these aspects. Don't forget to smash the watermark on the video and subscribe. Don't stop there. Click on like button and begin to type your comments. Finally, share the links of this video on all your platforms. Thank you for doing that. Next question. We are still on these aspects. Sets. Next question.